The AirPods Pro 3, released in September 2024, feature intuitive touch controls on the stems. These controls allow you to manage audio and calls without needing your phone. This tutorial guides you through press, hold, and swipe gestures to get the most out of your AirPods Pro 3. Controls are located on the stem. Press or slide gestures manage audio hands-free. Press gestures include single tap for play pause, double tap to skip forward, triple tap to go back. Hold with a long press to toggle active noise cancellation, transparency mode, or turn off. Swipe up or down for volume control. Swipe left or right to skip tracks. These controls are fully compatible with iOS 18 Plus and offer basic functionality on Android via Bluetooth. For iOS, you can even customize these gestures. Features include active noise cancellation, transparency mode, and more. Press gestures use quick taps on the AirPods Pro 3 stem. A single tap plays or pauses audio or answers and ends calls. Double tap skips to the next track, while triple tap goes back to the previous track. The hold gesture involves pressing and holding the stem for 2 to 3 seconds. This cycles through active noise cancellation to block out sound, transparency mode to let in ambient noise, and turning the feature off. Swipe gestures are new to AirPods Pro 3 and provide precise control. Swipe up or down on the stem to increase or decrease volume. Swipe left or right to skip tracks forward or backward. This is more accurate than previous models. Users can customize these gestures through the Bluetooth settings on their iOS device. For best results, keep the stems clean and ensure firmware is updated.